Hey y'all, Sam here, and it is time for round 2 of the $4 grab bags from Michaels. I have 4 Michaels grab bags behind me that I paid $4 for, and we're gonna go ahead and get started and see what's in these bags. Okay, so bag number 1 is pretty much flowers. Lots and lots of long stemmed flowers. So let's check them out. This one is $8. It is a purple hydrangea. This one here is $6, and I have no idea what this is, but it's very pretty. This one is $10, and it's just greenery, but I actually really like this. This is cool. I can definitely see myself using this one. This next one is $14, and it kind of looks like a cherry blossom branch, and the branch has glitter on it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but there's like glitter on some of the petals and the branches. We got 2 purple roses, and these were $5 a piece. This one's really cool. This is like a pearlescent succulent, and this one was $9. This one's pretty unique, very pretty. This would look really nice in an arrangement. Unique flower. This one was $10. I don't know who's actually buying this stuff for $10, because I would not pay $10 for a little tiny flower. This one was $4.99, but we are definitely missing a rose, so we only have 1 rose here. This one's pretty unique. It has these little like fuzzy buds on it. It makes me think of some kind of like Japanese type plant. This one was $8. This one is $8. It's pretty whimsical. I like this one. It's like a light lavender color, and they look like a little like open roses. Alright, this flower was $16, and it's huge. I'm not sure how pretty I think it is, and I think it got a little messed up in the bag. Yeah. That's what she looks like. This looks like I could put like a face on it and use it for Halloween. Looks kind of scary. We have another one of those whimsical purple roses. We have here 3 different yellow like daisy type flowers. These are $5 each. Ooh, I like this one. This one was $14. This is like a tree branch. It's so big. This is what the flowers look like up close. This is really nice. I think I have a vase downstairs that this will look great in. Oh, this is a repeat from yesterday. It is one of those red, like whimsical looking weed flowers. This one's really neat looking. I really like this one. And this one was $5. Branches are kind of like wibbly wobbly everywhere. Then we got this sprig of greenery that has these little orange, kind of like flowers on the end, but this is all like plastic. And this one is $5. We got a branch with little white things on it. This one don't do much for me. I don't know. Not exactly sure what I'll do with this, but it was $7. Some little white flowers for $4. So next we have this big like burlap feeling flower with these light brown leaves. I love this. This is definitely farmhouse kind of style. So this one I'm going to find a purpose for. I don't know if you can see the texture in the leaves. It's kind of like burlap linen kind of material. Alright, luckily there's something other than just flowers in this bag to make it worth it for me. We have a really cool sign that says gather. And the sign is $25. I don't know if you can read the gather. It's like barely like embossed in there with a wood frame. And then we have a muffin pan, which looks like little seashells. I did look these up online after we got the muffin tin, not the muffin tin, after we got the bunt cake pans and one of the other bags. I looked it up, and yes, these are decorations. It says for tabletop. I don't know who would really want to just like set this kind of stuff on their tabletop though. I don't. I mean, maybe if you hung it on the wall, that could be kind of cool looking. But it doesn't really have any hangers. Anyway, this was $18. And lastly, we have a repeat item from yesterday, and these are the Lavender Tea Light Candles. This one's missing one in the back though. So instead of 12, we have 11. All right, that was bag number 1. Let me tally this up to see what the total value of it was. This definitely wasn't my favorite bag. I like the gather sign and some of the flowers I can probably use, but nothing too exciting in this one for me. All right, so I tallied up that bag and we have $222 worth of value in this bag. Again, value is relative to whether you're going to use these items or not. I have a feeling I'm going to donate a lot of this greenery as well as that cake pan, but I do like the sign. So for me, the sign was worth paying $4 and then everything else was free. So, all right, let's see which one we want to do next. Maybe I'll just go for this one because it's right here. And there's some kind of picture in there, which is why I picked this one. And let's hope that it is a picture that I will like and want to keep. Okay, here's the picture. Nah, not really something that I think that I want to keep. But, you know, I'm doing a fundraiser yard sale coming up to raise money for IVF, so maybe I can sell it at that yard sale. It was $28. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of ugly for $28. I might be being a little harsh here, but $28 for a picture that's literally like all sky and half a bicycle. Just saying. Ooh, where you getting luck? There is a second sign in here hid behind that picture. This is super cute, y'all. It says hand dipped 10 cents. This 10 cents is raised. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is raised. And retail price was $30. This is cute, but I wouldn't pay $30 for it. It doesn't really go with my decor, but I really do love it. Like if someone had like a vintage vibe house, this would be perfect. All right, y'all, this is so cute. We got one of these yesterday, a pink one in one of our bags, and now we have a little like blue house with rose walls. I don't know exactly what you would do with these, but they're so cute. And it was $20. I might use these for like Easter decor. Ooh, I really like this bouquet. These colors are perfect for my bedroom. I love these mauves and these warm tones. Also great for fall coming around the corner. And this bouquet was $10. It's one of those ones that has the nice like covered stems. We got a letter. We got a Z. I have no clue what we're going to do with a Z. Which way does it go? Like this? The hooks are right here, so I guess they go like this. This is super cute though. I really do like it. I mean, maybe if IVF works, I can do like A to Z or something like that on the wall. I don't know. On a nursery. It's truly too early for me to think about a nursery, but I do think about it. We have another one of those large succulents like we got yesterday. This is really cool, and this is worth $15. This didn't have a price on it, by the way, but I would say it's probably at least 10 to 15. All right, it looks like we have some t-shirts. All right, the white is throwing off my white balance really bad. This is just a medium V craft t-shirt that I'll probably sell because Lord knows this big old titties ain't fitting in a medium. And we got a medium like 4th of July shirt. It says "Let's Get Lit" on it. And this was $10. And now we have a small "Let's Get Lit" shirt. And another medium "Let's Get Lit" shirt. This one says Freedom and Fireworks, again, $10. And a size medium. Were you expecting anything else? Come on, America's bigger than a medium. That's why there's no large sizes in these bags, because all the large sizes were probably sold. Oh, let me tell you that. There is one large that says Freedom and Fireworks. And we have a 4th of July ornament. I don't put up a 4th of July tree. I don't know if anyone else does, but I don't put up a 4th of July tree. But this is really cute. I could probably set it like in the top of a vase of flowers or something. Next we have some 4th of July like gel window clings. Oh, this ornament was $5 by the way, and the window clings was $4. Of course, there's going to be some greenery because these are summer bags. So I have 2 different kinds of like garland here. I think these garlands are actually like super sweet though. This one has some like purple glass beads in it. And some little like hard plastic flowers. This makes me think of Easter. This one is a little bit more universal to spring. I feel like I could add this one to a flower arrangement or wreath and do some really neat things with this one. The price of these was $12. We have a really cool orange succulent, and this one was $8. And then we have one of these ferns. We got one of these yesterday. It's like made of plastic. It's actually kind of cool though. And this one was $2. Ooh, we haven't got a succulent like this one yet. And it's bendable. It's got like wire in it, so you can bend it and do what you want with it. That is really cool. And this one was $8. We have another one of those Eastery garlands with the little glass beads and plastic flowers. And more like little yard things. We have another butterfly. We got 3 of these yesterday. And we have another blue bird, which I don't mind because I love this blue bird. He's like one of my favorite things that we got. Him and the pink one. On my entry table, like when you walk in my house, I have like a large white flower arrangement in there. And I went ahead and added this little guy in the pink one. That was in my last video. And that arrangement, and they look so cute. I have them looking like they're like kissing. We got another Easter egg. And we got more candles. 2 more packs of the lavender candles. These are $6 a piece. Hey, you know what? If Hurricane Dorian does make the power go out tomorrow, I have plenty of tea light candles to keep me going. Because I have 2 more. These ones are white tea rose though. I'm gonna smell these. The lavender ones do smell like what you would expect lavender to smell like, just not very strong. I don't really care for this that much. It kind of makes me think of like, I don't know, it's kind of got an old smell. I know you guys are like, Sam, you say everything smells old. They smell old. They smell like an old person house. I don't know. They just smell old. All right, so that was everything in bag number 2. Let me go ahead and tally up what the value of this bag was. All right, so the total value of bag number 2 was $254. This bag I liked much better than the first one because of the 2 signs, the little house, the bouquet. I mean, the t-shirts aren't gonna fit me, but those are definitely useful that I can give to someone else to enjoy. All right, we got 2 more bags to go. Let's roll on to bag number 3. Hey y'all, Future Sam here. I was editing this video, and to leave all 4 bags in here, the video is gonna be like an hour long. That's just way too long. So I'm going to go ahead and split it up into 2 videos. So we're gonna stop here at those 2 bags. As a reminder, the first bag had $222 worth of value. The second bag had $254 worth of value. So that means for the $8 I spent on the 2 bags, I got $476 worth of items. Definitely think that is a good deal. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video and you give me a thumbs down, can you tell me why? Just out of curiosity. And definitely stay tuned in the next day or so. I will post the next 2 bags, which I will go ahead and tell you had over $800 worth of value for another, what, $8? So definitely stay tuned to that. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, bye y'all.